Passengers, the meal service is now starting. I'm done eating. I like the food. Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly.
This is a great place for a hot spring bath.
Before entering a hot spring, we need to wash our body first. Apply soap to get rid of all the bacteria. It's time to rinse. Quickly dry the body with a towel and don't get a cold. Put them into the water. Make sure to separate the girls and boys. Throw in some hot spring goodies to make our soak even more comfortable. This herb is good for our body. Wow, these petals have turned the spring water pink. The water is a bit cold. Let's raise the temperature. Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again. Goodbye! Choose a school bus you like. Lion bus. Dinosaur bus. Let's go pick up the kids and send them to kindergarten.